Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.
The number of electrons with the azimuthal quantum number L is equal to 1 and L is equal to 2 in ground state of chromium is respectively option A 16 and 5, option B 12 and 5, option C 16 and 4 and option D 12 and 4. The correct answer is option B 12 and 5. Azimuthal quantum number L is equal to 1 means p orbital and L is equal to 2 means d orbital. Electronic configuration of chromium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. The number of electrons with the azimuthal quantum number L is equal to 1 is 12. As electronic configuration, chromium has 2p6 and 3p6. And the number of electrons with the azimuthal quantum number L is equal to 2 is 5. As electronic configuration, chromium has 3d5. So, correct answer is option B, 12 and 5. Thank you for watching.